Welcome back to Simply Anju. Today I'm back with a very simple yet very useful tool. How many of you have struggled to read something very critical just because you don't know the language? It might not be even you, it might be your parents, it might be your children. I'm sure most of us would have faced such a situation in our lives. Even those who are very well educated. For example, all of us are traveling so much nowadays. While traveling, you will have to read the name boards, restaurant menu cards, pamphlets, newspapers. In India, if you travel to any other state other than Kerala, you do see it in Kerala, but in other states, if you notice, you will see all the name boards are in their local language and there is no English attached to it. Even in many of the metro cities, you will not find it, not to mention the small towns and villages. You might say, I know English very well, I can handle it, then why worry? But as most of you all know, in European countries, English alone is definitely not possible. The number of English speaking people around the world is less than 20%. That is to say that in other countries you will not find name boards, restaurant menus, signboards, anything in English. And hence, knowing only English is of no use. And to speak about online shopping. All of us are so comfortable in sitting back at home and shopping online. And we get our stuff from different parts of the world. And whenever we are delivered with our product, if you remember, it is always accompanied by a manual. And if it is coming from China, Korea, Japan, I'm sure it will be attached with their language manual. How would we comprehend something like that? Another classic example to narrate this language barrier is when our children who are currently studying in UAE goes to their home country for a short vacation and they are maybe asked to go or use public transport. They will not be in a position to use one just because they don't know how to read the name boards on the buses. I was inspired to do this video for another reason. All the mothers in Middle East, in Gulf countries, their children have to mandatorily study Arabic. When they are in smaller grades, it's just the alphabets the mothers can handle. I have lived my life in UAE. I have studied Arabic as a child, so I know how to read and write. In spite of that comfort, I find it difficult to teach my son who is in grade 5. Because now they have started with passage, writing, comprehension. It is too much for me. So I can imagine those mothers who are learning with the child. So I decided to do this because I was stuck. If you are one among those who have faced any of the situation that I have narrated till now, please do watch this video and share it. Google is a word that we hear day in and day out. There wouldn't be a single parent who tell their child when they come and ask you something and we don't know it very much clearly, we tell them, please go check Google. That's the common thing that I'm sure there wouldn't be any parent who wouldn't have said that. Similarly, when I was stuck, I asked Google and this was a beautiful solution that Google suggested. And trust me, it works beautifully. I'm sure many of them would be already using it. They will be accustomed with the application. But how many of you know that this can be used to read real time through the camera? Meaning, I'm trying to say if there is a signboard in a different language and I intend to see that in English, I just need to look at that signboard on my application through the camera. Real time, I'm going to read that signboard in English. How many of you know that? For example, you're traveling to China and entering a Chinese restaurant. How would we comprehend the Chinese menu, which is entirely in Chinese? No option basis. What we might end up doing is look at the picture and find something that looks edible and have it or order it. We wouldn't know if that is good enough until it comes to our table and we eat it and find out if it's good for our tummy. But if you have this application, you're going to actually real time read the menu through this application and understand what we're going to eat before we order. So what I'm trying to say here is this is a very effective tool whereby you can translate a language in real time through your camera to a language that you understand and which is actually available in the application.
I use an Android phone and hence I will be going to Play Store to download this application. I go and I type in Google Translate and I install the application. On opening the application, you will be able to find the language you can choose basis your requirement. If you click on them, you will be able to see various languages. Back on the home page, if you click the camera button, you will receive a push notification that would seek your permission to take pictures and record video, to which you need to click allow and then proceed. So firstly, I am going to try translating the cover page of this book into Malayalam, Tamil and Hindi. Let's see how it works. To translate from English to Malayalam, മലയാളത്തിൽ തന്നെ സംസാരിക്കാം. ആദ്യം തന്നെ ലാംഗ്വേജ് പ്രിഫറൻസ്, ഏത് ലാംഗ്വേജിൽ നിന്ന് ഏത് ലാംഗ്വേജിലേക്ക് ആണ് ട്രാൻസ്ലേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് എന്ന് സെലക്ട് ചെയ്യുക. ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് ടു മലയാളം സെലക്ട് ചെയ്യുക. അതിനുശേഷം ക്യാമറ അമർത്തിയാൽ നമ്മൾക്ക് ആ പുസ്തകം ക്യാമറയിലൂടെ കാണാൻ സാധിക്കും. ആ കാണുന്നതോടുകൂടെ തന്നെ ക്ലിയർലി നമുക്ക് ആ ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് മലയാളത്തിലേക്ക് മാറുന്നതായി കാണാൻ പറ്റും. உங்களுக்கு தமிழில் தான் ட்ரான்ஸ்லேட் பண்ணணுன்னா நீங்கள் வந்து அந்த லாங்குவேஜ் ப்ரிஃபரன்ஸில் போய் இங்கிலீஷ் டு தமிழ் சூஸ் பண்ணணும். அதுக்கப்புறம் கேமரா ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணி நீங்கள் பார்த்தோன்னா நீங்கள் வந்து உங்களுக்கு அந்த இங்கிலீஷ் டெக்ஸ்ட் வந்து தமிழில் பார்க்கலாம். आपको हिंदी में चाहिए तो लैंग्वेज प्रेफरेंस में हिंदी दबाइए.
For example, I'm traveling in France. I see a signboard in French. I simply grab my phone, I simply focus my camera on that particular signboard and I look through my camera. I see that particular name board in English because I chose the translation from French to English in real time. I just stepped out for a walk and I thought I'll just try the translator myself with something that I saw here. Let's see how it works.
Okay, so as I walk, when I'm zooming into that English text, I'm able to see that in Hindi. So at a practical perspective, outside, outdoors, yes, it is working. Now let me show you to all mummies in Middle East who are struggling with Arabic, and also an additional feature of this application for which I've simply taken an Arabic manual. So I've chosen the language preference and I'm zooming in through my camera to get it converted, to get it translated. You can also translate a picture that is already available on your phone by clicking the import button just right next to the scan button. So you need to click import button and pick a picture and simply have it translated by scanning it, and then you will get the translated content. We also have a scan option in this application whereby I click the scan button and the entire content gets scanned. So the entire text gets selected while scanning, and either I can select all or I can simply drag my finger and selectively select the text that I selectively want to translate. If I click the blue ribbon, it will take me to a screen where I can see the original text, the Arabic text, and you can also see the translated text down. Other features include copying the translated text, which can be pasted elsewhere. You can even share the content that you have copied directly to any other external sources. You can use the full screen option to see the entire translated content in full screen. You can reverse the translation, whereby the original text will be replaced by the translated text and vice versa. You also have an option called Start Conversation, where if you speak, whatever you speak would be translated. Hello, hello, hello.
مرحبا مرحبا مرحبا.
How are you?
كيف حالكم؟
After all this, why spare Chinese? Let's try Chinese too.
This is a new technology. It is not 100% accurate, but it is totally fine for you to use it for your day-to-day life for normal purposes. There is no doubt that more you use it, it will gradually reach more accuracy, and I'm sure there will be more additions of languages too. I hope this was informative and useful. Please start using it while traveling. If you want to teach your child a foreign language, to study a manual which is in Chinese or any other language that you cannot comprehend, the usages are umpteen. You can use it anywhere where you think appropriate. I really hope it really will help you, and please do download the application. If you're watching my video for the very first time, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment if you have any queries, and share. Thank you so much.